Your glutes are one of the biggest muscles in the body, but they're also the first to get weak after 50. And most people have no idea it's happening until everything starts to get harder. Like your lower back starts to ache for no particular reason. Your hips and your knees take the strain they were never built for, and getting up from a low chair becomes a real massive effort. And when your balance starts to quietly go as well, you know you're in a bit of trouble, because that's how trips and falls start. So if you haven't met yet, I'm Gavin. I co New Zealand's only fitness studio for people over the age of 40, and weak glutes are so common in our fitness facility. It's probably universal against every person new to exercise. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 4 of my favorite glute exercises that you can do at home with just a band or even your own body weight without the need for squatting at all. And stay with me for number 4, because it is my absolute favorite. Before jumping though, if you're concerned about your decline in strength and you're looking for a nice, easy to follow strength resistance plan, it's been downloaded over 20,000 times, and to get a copy of that, there's a link in the description and the first comment. Go in and grab the guide, and do me a favor, once you've got the guide, just come back to the video, type in the comments, got it. I know you've got it, and I can keep an eye on how many people are actually downloading this guide. The first exercise I like to do is work on the glute medius, which is the muscles just on the side of the glutes. They stabilize the pelvis, and this is a really great exercise to do it. And I'm going to use these looped bands like this. Okay, you can get them, there's a link in the description for Clench Fitness, you can get them there, but they're really versatile. You can go online and get them anyway. And all we're going to do, we're going to just pop these around our knees this way, and there's just a little bit of tension there. You don't need a huge amount of tension for this exercise. And what I'm going to do is sort of take my feet out a little bit, and I'm going to point them on a bit of an angle. When I do this, your glutes will activate a lot better than if your feet are straight, okay? So all I'm going to do now, I'm going to push out into the band. I'm just going to hold for 2 seconds. 1, 2, take it back to the start. Slowly take it back out, hold for 2 seconds, and back to the start. I'm going to do this for 10 to 15 times, depending on the band. If you've got a really heavy band, you might not get the full 15, and if you got a very light band, you might get 15 to 20, okay? But 15 is about the sweet spot. 10 to 15 is the sweet spot. Take it out, hold for a couple of seconds, and bring it back together. You're going to start to feel that light up on the side, nice and easy. You're going to take a little rest for 30 seconds, you're going to come back and do it 2 more times. Now, the next exercise, we're going to use the same band as well. I'm going to pop it down to your feet this way. And what you're going to do, you're going to hold on to something for balance, okay? You're going to put your feet in this position, so one foot is back with your heel up off the floor, okay, if you can see it. And all you're going to do, you're going to push back into that band, and you feel the whole glute start to work. Slowly lower it back to the start, and then extend it back again. Back to the start, and back. And that hold is super important for these bands, because that's where the most sort of tension is on the muscle. And you hold it for a second and drop it back down, and again 12 to 15 reps on each leg. Take a pause for 30 seconds and repeat it 2 more times. The next exercise I'm going to do is something called a bird dog exercise, all right? And I'm going to use a bed, a chiropractic bed, but you can use your own bed or on the floor on a mat or something. And what I want you to do this way is just kick one leg back this way, okay? If you want to use your arm, you can do this as well, which is good because you get a little bit of upper back and lower back working at the same time. Swap the weight over and take it back. Hit the glute and the lower back all at the same time, because all the muscles tie in together. So you actually get in a double whammy when you do this. You could actually put a band around your thighs, a bit like this, and then you could take it out, and that'll add a little bit of resistance from the side. Looks a bit like that. And again, you 12 to 15 reps on each side. Pause, repeat the process 1 more time. And the last exercise we're going to look at is something called the sprinter lunge. I find this to be one of my favorite ways to build up my glutes and strengthen my glutes, okay? So what you're going to do, you're going to stand with your feet on train tracks this way, all right? And take 1 foot back, just like this. And there's no real bend in that front knee. Your upper legs are about 45 degrees. You're going to take your fingertips and point them down towards your ankles. And you're going to come in this position, and you feel a stretch on the glutes as you do it. You're going to take it back to the start, and take it back again. Back to the start and take it back nice and slow. You're working on your balance a little bit. You work on the glute really, really hard. Okay, you do 12 on one side, and from the side where it looks like is just like this. Leg at 45, glutes under tension. Back to the start and take it back out. And again, if you need to hold on to something for balance, that's totally fine as well. You're really going to start to work on it anyway. So hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what your thoughts are on those exercises. Now, if you're still here, I want to let you know about a fitness community that I have online called Lifelong Strong. It's for people that want to be strong for the rest of their lives. Within the community, you've got workouts that you can follow every single month. Progressive, they're easy on the joints. They're a simple way to keep you accountable. The community of people on the same journey as you. And you have access to me as well to help you on your journey. Every single month, you get a Q&A with me, and you you get a fresh new workout to follow so you never get bored. Also get a 7-day free trial, and there's a link in the description for that. Head down, check out the free trial. I'm going to leave a video in the top left hand corner which I think you're going to like, so head over there and I'll see you very shortly.